Hey, what's up YouTube? Just got back from the bank for our weekly pickup. We got 2 boxes of pennies and a box of nickels. We're going to sort the box of pennies for the copper ones, and then we're going to sort just the nickels for the nickels here. I'll let you know how it turns out. Alright, just finished both boxes of pennies. Took me a little bit longer than usual this time. I'm trying to keep track of how many copper pennies are in each roll. Before we get into how many wheats and kings that were in both boxes, I'll just explain the pop bottle sorting method that we have going on here. The first 3 bottles here are Canadian pennies. Again, those are 98% copper. Again, we sort them in 3 different ways based on how much they weigh. The years here, these weigh 2.5 grams, these 2.8, and then 3.24 grams for the last ones there. And then these ones here are just American copper pennies. Again, too, the boxes were pretty good this time. The first box had 1,141 copper pennies, which was about 45.6% and works out to $25.74 of copper melt value. The second box had 1,007 copper pennies, which was 40.28%, and again had a melt value of $22.59 of copper, which is pretty good. That's usually right around the average that we get. Again, we'll take a look at some of the nicer finds that we have. We'll start with the wheat pennies here. The first one is a 1920 wheat penny, 1940, another 1940, 1941, 1942D, a 1944, another 1944, 1945, a second 1945, a 1950, 1952D, 1953D, a 1955D, and a 1957D. Then just going up here to the kings that we found, we have first 1940, another 1940, 1941, 1943, 1946, 1948, a 51, and then a 1952. So pretty good today. Again, we are right around our averages for copper pennies. And again, we're pretty much what we usually get for wheats and kings as well. So that's it for the penny boxes. Again, we'll do the nickel box that I showed you at the beginning of the video, and I'll put that up in another video after this. Alright, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.